Ask about how to fix or how to solve autoclose on TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve autoclose on TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll enter to the window or to the app of TikTok, and you can click here. Then you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.